We all love pizza, don't we? But can we make our regular pizza healthy? Yes, we can. Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Kadhai. Today we are making pizza which is gluten-free, low on calories and carbohydrates. We will be making cauliflower pizza today. So let's see how to prepare it. First we'll take a cauliflower, we'll wash it nicely and then we'll remove all the extra stems. Try to take a big sized cauliflower and we'll also remove the stem portion. After that we need to cut thick pieces of this cauliflower. So we'll remove this extra bit. So likewise we'll cut thick slices of the cauliflower. So like this we have cut one slice. Likewise we'll cut all other pieces. So we have got these 4 slices with me and now we'll keep it aside. Next we need to prepare slurry using corn flour and rice flour. So here I will use 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 1 tablespoonful of rice flour. If you do not have rice flour, then you can only use corn flour to prepare slurry. However, rice flour gives nice crispness, so I am using rice flour here. And now we will gradually add water. Do not add water in one go. We need to prepare a thin slurry. So this should be the consistency of the slurry. It's absolutely thin. Next, we'll take a flat dish like this and we'll transfer the slurry. Also, I have these fresh breadcrumbs with me. And now, we'll take our slices. Now what we need to do is, we need to take this slice and we'll dip it in the slurry. Dip it nicely so that it coats well, and then we'll just coat it with breadcrumbs. We should completely cover the slice, and in this manner we'll coat all other slices. So this is basically the base for our pizza. Next we need to bake our slices. So I have preheated my air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes, and then we'll place all the slices on a parchment paper. You can bake these slices in an oven, or even you can bake it in convection microwave. So we'll carefully place all the slices. Now we need to bake our base at 160 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes until the base gets cooked. Initially we will bake it for 15 minutes and thereafter we can increase the timing accordingly. However, if you are baking the base in an oven, then bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes until it is cooked properly. Baking is done and just look at these. Our base is crisp. So we'll carefully remove it. So our very healthy pizza base is ready. Now we'll prepare pizza. So firstly we'll spread pizza sauce on the base. Here I am using ready sauce. This is a very healthy gluten-free pizza which we are preparing. Unlike the usual flour pizza, which we generally consume. This is a healthier alternative. So next goes our cheese. Here I am using mozzarella cheese. Just sprinkle generous amount of cheese on the pizza base. Then you can use some toppings here. I have some corns, capsicum and onions with me. Although you can just simply prepare plain cheese pizza, but I am just adding little color to my pizza. Here goes few onions. And lastly goes few capsicum. And then we'll just add little more cheese on top. And finally we'll sprinkle oregano and little black pepper. That's about it. Our pizza is ready to go for baking again. And we'll carefully place all the pizza slices into the air fryer basket. There it goes. And we'll just bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 2 to 3 minutes. So friends, get ready to see our healthy pizza. Just look at this. Isn't it looking so attractive and so delicious? Let's quickly serve it. So friends, if you want to have gluten-free pizza which is low on calories and carbs, then you can certainly try this cauliflower pizza. You will really like it and you can prepare it in no time. So friends, I'm sure you want to try out this pizza. Do try it out and let me know how does it turn out for you. If you liked watching our today's video, give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadhai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.